Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a GST ledger in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Create and then choose Ledger. This is where you'll start inputting the basic details for your new GST ledger. Ensure you have all necessary information ready to proceed smoothly with the setup process. Next, you'll need to configure the GST details for your ledger. Set the Set/Alter GST Details option to Yes. Here, you can specify the type of GST, like Central Goods and Services Tax or State Goods and Services Tax, and then enter the exact percentage rate. This step is crucial for Tally Prime to correctly calculate your tax liabilities. Now, assign your GST ledger to the correct group, typically duties and taxes. This helps organize your accounts effectively. You'll also need to select the appropriate calculation method for GST, ensuring it aligns with your business requirements. Once all details are entered, simply save the ledger to complete its creation in Tally Prime. Finally, take a moment to review your newly created GST ledger to ensure all details are accurate and complete. Once verified, you can immediately start using this ledger for all your relevant accounting entries in Tally Prime. This ensures proper GST compliance and accurate financial reporting. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.